We are in Gold Beach.
I'm geared up for the cold weather.
Jerry's Rogue Jets. Original Rogue River jet boat tour.
And the hotel is right there because the street is tonight.
So we're doing the 104-mile wild wilderness.
It's whitewater.
Whitewater wilderness tour. And it's going to be really cold starting out in the morning. But 35 passenger jet boats. 104-mile trip and a barbecue lunch. And we picked today to do it because of the weather. Nice and sunny. Boarding time.
They say it's bouncier and fun and less wind because of the wind chill.
Alright, now we've got everybody loaded up. I'd like to tell you a little bit about the boat we're in. Boat's named the Blossom Bar.
Blossom Bar.
Named after our turnaround point for the day. It's 32 feet long, all aluminum, welded whitewater design, powered by three 6.2-liter Chevrolet Marine engines. Each engine produces over 400 horsepower. Did you like the spin? Yeah, sure. Here we go. Brace yourself up. All right. You guys doing good with the spins. You're on your own from here on out. All right, Day11 straight ahead. You may have to stay.
I stopped in Agness for a bathroom break and time to jack it up as we head into the whitewater.
But the whole lodge has been renovated.
It is. It's beautiful.
Heading into the whitewater from here.
It's kind of bulky.
But the trees have grown up over the years where it's pretty much obscured now.
Yeah. And there's a, right here is a little tree.
Yeah, just a matter of days the leaves grow up where you can't see the top of the balls at all. are prohibited May 1 to November 15th. And while it's been done many times by powerboats, you're not allowed to do it this time of year. Somebody's always got to...
So lunch stop on the boat tour.
Oh, I need a spoon.
Stops at Cougar Lane barbecue place.
Finish a knife.
Lunchtime on the Rouge River tour, and it is barbecue at Cougar Lane.
L-A-N-E, not lake.
Did he call that one?
Rudolph, Indian something.
No, rhubarb. He was talking about the plants
Oh.
are similar to rhubarb. This is another roadside stop north of Gold Beach. We parked up there somewhere. Our car's up there, and we're walking down to what is called the Three Sisters. We had a beautiful sunny day on the river, and now it's hazy. But several people said today was the first good day of the year, good sunny day of the year that they've had for their river trips. There's the third sister. We're gonna see what's in this cave up here. I think I hear water inside of it. Ah, cool. Wow. Nice. A lot of places like this along the Oregon coastline. This is the other side of the cave. Whoa, splash zone. Splash zone. Tastes salty. Splash zone. This is the trail to and from the Three Sisters.
Yeah, it's as tall as me. Very tiny. Are those going to grow up big? Those pine trees? They look like they're young.